Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the file and defining its scale so layout decisions stay consistent. Open PowerPoint 2007, pick a blank or template, and set page setup to 4, 3, or 16 to 9. Save right away with Save as to avoid losing changes. Once saved, add a title slide, type concise header text, and pick a simple theme. Make sure to enable the ribbon options you need. This sets the stage for efficient editing and predictable formatting as you build slides. Now focus on constructing each slide with purpose. Insert new slides and select appropriate layout. Use placeholders for headings, bullet lists, or content. Edit text with clear fonts and sizes, and open Slide Master to apply consistent headers, footers, and background. This saves repeated tweaks. Insert images, charts, or smart art. Resize proportionally and use Arrange Align to distribute elements evenly. Once done, group related objects and check contrast so your content remains legible. Finish by polishing delivery and verifying playback. Apply subtle transitions and rehearse timings if you want automated flow, and add speaker notes for cues. Export or print handouts via file print and choose layout that matches audience needs. Save a final copy and copy it to a USB or upload to the cloud. Then test the slideshow on the actual display or projector to confirm fonts and resolution. If animations or embedded media fail, reinsert media in a common format. This often fixes playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.